Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you a function on my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is a little feature that comes on the camera, and I'm going to show you exactly how good it is or how bad it is. You'll have to make that opinion up yourself. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. This is a test. Right, we're having a quick look at my van. Yeah, those wheels look as though they need doing well. They need a really good clean looking at them. Move over here to the other ones. Oh yeah, we'll definitely need a good clean. And there's the van overall. Just currently going to sell it. Have a walk round. Still very good condition than it should be. There it goes. Few stone chips on the bonnet there. Usual type of things, but generally speaking, good condition. I think this director's cut is a cool bit of kit. I just love it. You can do almost anything. And once again, the wheels do need a good clean. And move over to this one. You can see it just, there's one thing about it, it does need a good spruce up. You can see around there where I haven't washed it very well. And there it is. I find this pretty cool. Director's cut. Well, there you go, guys. I don't know what you think about that, but I actually think it's quite a clever little thing that's been added to the camera. It does make a difference to the camera, I must say. Whether I'm going to be using this quite a lot or not, I don't know, because the setting is one setting only, so you can't actually alter it to anything else. So you can't go like having a 4K or anything. It's just as the camera comes out. I guess there's some little gadgets inside the camera saying, hey, I think we're going to do the director's cut. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe and please share on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!